In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chat on ClickUp. We'll walk through how to make sure chat is enabled in your workspace, and then how to use channels to communicate with your team. Follow along in your own ClickUp so you can set this up as we go. First, open ClickUp and go to your list view. This can be any list in your workspace. The exact list doesn't matter for enabling chat. You just need to be inside a list so you can access the options on the left-hand side. On the vertical left-hand column, look for the option that says More. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a similar icon, and it groups together additional features that aren't shown by default. Click on More to expand that menu. From the expanded menu, click on Apps. This section controls the different Click apps that can be turned on or off for your workspace, including chat. It's a good place to remember if you ever need to enable or disable other features in the future. Once you're in the Apps area, click on All Click Apps. This shows the full list of available features. Scroll through until you find the Chat option. Next to Chat, there will be a toggle switch. Make sure this toggle is turned on so that chat is enabled. If it's already on, you can leave it as is. Enabling chat here makes the feature available throughout your workspace. When you're done, click on the X in the corner of the Apps window to close it and return to your main ClickUp view. Now that chat is enabled, look again at the left-hand column. In the Channels section, you'll see your existing chats. Click on one of these chats to open it. Inside a chat, you can send messages, share updates, and keep discussions organized around specific topics or teams. If you want to bring more people into an existing chat, click on Add People. From there, you can choose the teammates you want to include. This is useful when a conversation grows and more stakeholders need to be involved. If you'd rather start something fresh, click on Add Channel to create a new channel or chat. Then click on Create Channel. A window will open where you can set up the details. Click into the name field and type a clear, descriptive name for your chat. You can also decide whether you want this channel